you want to get up as far as you can on that wall, and then you see this tire mark right here on this rock. You want to put driver front tire right there, and what it's going to do is you want to start climbing the wall, and then as you start to climb the wall, hook it towards the driver, and it'll pivot around. Once you pivot around, you're stuck in that spot. You won't be able to get back out. So just fair warning.
Make kind of an S as I get back up.
Yep.
There.
Oh, too much. There you go, try it right there. Oh, come back. There you go, right there. Now hook it hard, driver. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Follow that around. Yep, you got it. Follow it around. Whoop. Come on back. A little more. There you go. Now come hard, driver. There you go. No, go ahead. You got it. You got it. Now you're on the line. That's the line.